tonight. Got my attention now. Got everybody in the club wanting to know now. I am a ladies man, come be my lady and we can both so I bring your body and let me switch up your